Hi there! So Noise is back with the new Airbuds series of TWS earphones, Airbuds Pro. Now these come with ANC and Transparency mode, so premium features at a budget price. Wow, can't wait to see how they look and sound. So without further ado, let's unbox them, we'll test them, and I'll let you know if these are worth your money or not. Let's begin. So here are the Airbuds Pro. You can see the image of the earbuds right here. Towards the back, you can see some list of its features. Quad mic, transparency mode, up to 20 hours of playback, 1 key reset, hypersync and active noise cancelling. We all love that, don't we? Towards the bottom here are some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is 7,999. But you can get this for a lot cheaper. Alright, let's unbox it. Okay, we are in and we are greeted with everyone's favorite noise stickers. We have a warranty card, a user manual, quick start guide, all the regular paperwork. And here are the Airbuds Pro. Wow. We'll have a look in just a moment. Meanwhile, in here, I'm assuming is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And there you go, white cable matching with the earbuds. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. So first thing, let's get rid of the plastic on the top. Oh wow. So the first thing that gets my attention is that they look so premium. The premium glossy finish looks really nice. The design is so inspired from the Apple Airpods. Very similar. See the Noise branding right here. You have an LED light here. Towards the back, the hinge. And if you look closely, there's also a reset button. I'm not too sure if you can see it, but there's a reset button right here. There's a USB-C port at the bottom to charge. And oh, wow, that looks pretty nice. You can see the green light has turned on. That means they're kind of charged. All right, so let's remove them. Okay. So first thing to notice is that this is a combination of a small stem and a buds design. It's really nice, very light, and some things to notice here. It comes with a lot of microphones on them. There's a microphone here, there's a microphone here. Now these are definitely going to help for noise cancelling and for better phone call quality. You can see the charging terminals as well as microphone at the bottom as well. Wow. I need to say this, the build quality of these earbuds are so premium. You know they are premium. The moment you put your eyes on them, you know they look really nice. You see the Noise branding and the logo right at the bottom. Really nice. So let's wear them and see how they fit. Okay. So first thing is that they provide a very good seal, cancelling most of the ambient sound. They're extremely light, 3.5 grams to be precise, and you can barely feel them. The tips are soft, and hence I feel that these earbuds should be comfortable to be worn for a couple of hours. Also, I tried shaking my head. Ooh, that gave me a head rush. And I can tell you that they stayed in place, which means you can wear it at the gym and for a run and they won't fall off. Alright, let's pair it. The process is super simple. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone and then just open the lid of the earbuds and search. The Airbuds Pro name will show up. Click and you're done in a couple of seconds. Okay, so before we move to the sound, let me tell you about its hardware and features. So it comes with IPX5 rating, so mild splashes and sweat are taken care of. Each earbud comes with 10mm drivers and they also support active noise cancelling and transparency mode. Now, let's talk about the main deal, the sound. So firstly, make sure that you wear the correct size of ear tips that provide you a perfect seal so that it gives you the better sound experience. I actually was wearing something that was not of the right size and it didn't provide that kind of experience that it should have. So make sure you wear the right tip. Now, how do they sound? Well, they sound rich. Excellent instrument separation and clarity. The bass is punchy, just like most of us like it, and it doesn't overpower the soundtrack, but at the same time won't give you a migraine. Also, what I really liked about these earbuds is that even at low volume, the clarity and bass is maintained. Now we usually have to crank up the volume for more punch and that clarity, but with these, it sounds even better at lower volume. Now, what about noise cancelling? So it does cancel up to 25 decibels, but frankly, I didn't notice any drastic difference between normal mode and ANC turned on. Very negligible. But surprisingly, transparency mode worked really well. It enhances the external sound and lets you know about your whereabouts, ideal when you're cycling or taking a walk outdoors. You can triple tap on the right earbud to toggle between ANC mode, transparency mode and normal mode. By the way, the tap gestures on these earphones worked really well and they cover almost everything. Double tap to pause and play, single tap on left and right to increase or decrease the volume, tap and hold on the left for previous track, tap and hold on the right for next track, triple tap on the left one to trigger voice assistant. It will work with Siri for iPhone and Google Assistant for Android phones. And triple tap on the right for transparency mode, ANC, just like I mentioned earlier. Similarly, you can also answer and end an incoming call by tapping on these earbuds. Very easy. Coming to the call quality. Well, it's excellent indoors. In fact, the caller said it sounded better than my phone mic. और क्या चाहिए? But sadly, outdoor it captured a lot of ambient sound. But still usable. Indoors तो ये कमाल है. So if you're someone who's looking for earbuds for phone calls and meetings, this is just amazing. Okay, coming to the battery. So you get 4 hours on a single charge and 20 hours with the case. But it would be lesser, say 3.5 hours if ANC or transparency mode is turned on. The good thing is that it charges full in under an hour. और क्या चाहिए? और क्या चाहिए कितनी बारी बोला ना मैंने वीडियो में? It's actually that good. So the Noise Airbuds Pro aren't perfect and I wish they had ear detection and a little better ANC. But then for 2,499, it's absolutely worth it. The sound quality, and let me stress on this word, quality, is excellent for the price. You can buy the Airbuds Pro starting tomorrow, 30th November on Amazon, Flipkart and Gonoise website. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you like to buy one or gift one, this is highly recommended. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.